see if we have it added. Check, 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 check. Check, check, check. Yeah, we have added it. And can we remove it? So remove, then remove this. Is it remove while broadcasting? Will it be removed? Checking, checking, checking. Yeah, it was removed. Okay, so we are now in our episode 3. We're testing something and it's working. So we're now ready to put it back. This one, and then this one, and this one. Alright, so welcome back to our live broadcast of studying solutions architecture so that we can pass our AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification next year. Hopefully we're gonna have it quicker because we've just passed our developer associate, and solution associate should be much easier, I believe, compared to the developer associate. So we should be able to hopefully we'll just pray a lot so that we're not gonna waste our money. Alright, so okay, so let's continue. Let's open up our terminal. Right, terminal. We're opening our terminal, and then should be able to close this. Then open the terminal, and we'll try to check if these browsers that are showing up are safe. Okay, so this should be safe. Let's go back to what we've set up in the previous podcast and see if our visualizer of our voice, yeah, keep on talking and away from my mic, is not blocking anything, so I believe that's fine. Should we put it a little here on the left like that? Will it be better? Just checking. Okay, so we want to tackle the topic of can we have this save as another file? Save as, okay, so this one here, save as, where's save, I want to save as. Can you save this, export as? I want to save as. Make a copy. Okay, make a copy. Still in our Google Drive. Then how do we rename? Okay, rename this to basic architecture, but now with volumes. Okay, rename. Okay, so now where is the name of this now? Okay, so basic architecture and volumes. So we have an AWS account, we have it in region, VPC, and we know that VPC, that a region can only have 5 custom VPC in each region. What is this? VPC, right? Yeah, why is this here? It's supposed to be, should go here and then go here. So that is VPC 1, so this is custom VPC 2, then see, why is it getting under there? This should be a sovereign VPC, should not be tied to any should not be under any VPC. This is a sovereign VPC. Oops. Oh, it keeps on going. Yeah, I think I'll just create a new one. VPC. Put this here. Okay. So account. This is the sovereign VPC, not gonna be under any VPC. And then we are going to create a private subnet of that VPC, and that private subnet of that VPC is on this region, in this availability zone. Alright, and then this private, does it go under that VPC again? Oh man, yeah, because if we copy and paste that, did we copy and paste that? So if we select that, we put the private VPC, put the private VPC here. Why is it doing that? Alright, so let's bring front, private VPC, put the private VPC here. Nah, is this a bug? Why are you doing that? So this, yeah, I think we're just gonna okay, so I believe we're just gonna create another availability zone here, but knowing that this availability zone is the same as this availability zone. Let me know, and if you have any comments regarding that. I'm not sure if that is really true. Okay, so private cloud here. Okay, so now it's not getting crazy. So this availability zone is same name with this availability zone. This is the same availability zone. We created a subnet. This VPC here. VPC2, and then this private subnet here. I'm going to put this private subnet, but this one is VPC2, and this is subnet 1 of this VPC2, and then yeah, so that is and then we put an EC2 on this private subnet. Let's put this somewhere here, because we're going to add another subnet, which is a public subnet of this VPC. Like that. And then we're going to add this public subnet. private public subnet of my VWX VPC2, my VWX VPC2 public subnet 01. Okay, so it has a public subnet 01, private subnet 01, private subnet 01. Okay, so what will be in a public subnet? Because we don't what will be in the public subnet? Is it like the load balancers, or let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so delete that. When creating a custom VPC, then my EC2 is in its private subnet, what will usually be in the public subnet. Okay, when creating a custom VPC with both public and private subnets, the public subnet usually hosts resources that need to communicate directly with the internet or external networks. Common components in the public subnet include the NAT gateway or NAT instance. Purpose allows instance in the private subnet to initiate outbound internet traffic, example downloading updates, while keeping them inaccessible from the internet. Okay, so in this case we want to, is there a NAT here? Is this the AWS VPC NAT gateway? NAT gateway, okay. Should it be here? Okay, placement: a NAT gateway or NAT instance resides in the public subnet to forward traffic to and from the internet. Application load balancer, yeah, so that's the one that we're talking about. ELB, elastic load balancer, application load balancer, yeah, okay, so let's just use this one. So load balancer is in the public subnet. Purpose: serves as the entry point for inbound traffic to your application. It routes traffic to instance or containers in the private subnet. Placement: the ALB sits in the public subnet to be reachable from the internet. So yeah, so if we can draw our users like here, we put our users here. Okay, our users cannot go straight here because this is a private subnet. Our how can we add? Hey man, how can we link? Go straight there. Then your ALB will be the one to send traffic here. That. Then we can change that to like this. No, not like that. I mean here. like that. Reconnected again. Or we get a hi from our. I'm not sure if this is my son or my wife. Um, hey, I'm having a hard time connecting this. Why is this so hard? Then like that. Oh man. Like that. Ah man. Okay, like that. So he will not get crazy. So users go to ALB, then ALB go to EC2. Okay, and Bastion host optional purpose provides scenario secure limited SSH and RDP access to instances in the private subnet. Okay, Bastion, yeah, placement. A Bastion host resides in the public subnet to allow administrative access while minimizing direct exposure of the private instance. Yeah, so it's like you can put a virtual PC here so that you can RDP to this virtual PC, then you can SSH to your private instances here. Is there any like icon for Bastion? Bastion host? Yeah, maybe this one. So this is a Bastion host located in your private and your public subnet. Uh, 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 uh. Hey, hey, hey. Listen to me, man. Bring you back. Bring back. This draw thing is so irritating. Okay, so yeah, like that. And then what else? Internet gateway. So oh no, web servers. Host web application or APIs if you don't need additional layers like a load balancer and can securely configure the web server. Yeah, you can put a web server there and then the web server can talk to your private subnets or yeah, and the private servers. Internet gateway, elastic IPs, um, a summary of traffic flow, outbound traffic flows through the NOT gateway instance, the public subnet, host resources exposed to the internet like ALB, NOT gateway or Bastion. Yeah. Okay, that's it. We've successfully tested our very nice audio visualizer in a circular. I think this is not really at the center. Let me check. Hello, 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 hello. Was it adjusted now? Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, I think that's a circle in a center now. Okay, that's it for now. So we'll continue our architecture study and yeah, we're going for a hike. I think that's it.